You live in your own mind every day, but do you truly know yourself? So many of us feel disconnected, lost in endless loops of thought. But what feels like the end can actually be the beginning. We carry invisible burdens that shape our choices without us noticing. We get lost in the noise of expectations, habits, and survival. But there is a blueprint, a guide to clarity. Introducing the Self-Awareness Blueprint, a 7-module journey to understand yourself, rewire beliefs, and connect with your truth. Discover your core identity beneath the noise, turn awareness into action, from confusion into clarity, and with the 7-day plan, awareness becomes action. Small daily practices bring big inner shifts, blending psychology, mindfulness, and nervous system tools. Learn how to regulate and reset your nervous system. Through guided prompts, you'll ask the questions that reveal the real you. Imagine shedding every mask you've worn to survive. Step by step, building clarity, calm, and confidence. Reconnecting with your authentic self and aligned living. Readers describe it as simple, transformative, and real. Your guide is already here, waiting. One-time purchase. Lifetime access. Your clarity is yours to keep, secure and lasting. Stay in the cycle, or step into clarity. The choice is yours. Unlock the real you. Step into alignment. Download the Self-Awareness Blueprint today. Begin your journey now.